Hey everyone, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a proxy using the ParseHub web scraping tool. Let's get started. Open ParseHub and navigate to the project settings by selecting the Settings menu. In the settings, enable Rotate IP addresses. Below this option, a custom proxy text box will appear. Enter your proxy details in the following format: IP address, port, username, and password separated by a colon. If you have multiple custom proxies, list each one on a new line in the custom proxy field. Once you've configured your proxies, save the settings and run your project. By the way, proxies from providers like Smart Proxy or Oxy Labs may not work with ParseHub's browser due to domain restrictions. For compatibility issues, reach out to ParseHub's support. Remember, free proxies pose security risks and lack reliable anonymity, often leading to blocks. For secure and private online experiences, turn to our company, Proxy-Seller. We offer 100% anonymity and top-notch security. Our selection caters to various needs, supported by 24/7 assistance. Check the description for a 10% discount code and a link to our site. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell, and hit the like button. That's all for now. See you guys in the next video.